Hi, my name is Tvisha. I'm a homeschooler and I'm currently in grade 10. I recently participated in this competition named Antimicrobial Space Challenge. The challenge of this competition was to find a problem astronauts face in space and create a solution on it. After a lot of brainstorming with my mentors, we found out that once astronauts go in space, right after 2 to 3 months of this stay, the bottom layer of their feet starts peeling off due to the lack of blood circulation as there's no gravity there. Finding the solution was a task as we needed something which could give out friction as well as blood circulation. But soon, the Indian therapy of acupressure came to our rescue. Acupressure points are known for circulating blood. So this gave us an idea to create a prototype which had rollers as well as acupressure points so that it could give friction as well as blood circulation. But this was just the first prototype. After that came another 5. We kept improving and improving on the idea. As a cherry on the top, the judges awarded me first prize globally in the medical device. My happiness knew no bounds. But I did not stop there. With the help of my mentors, I wrote a research paper on this idea and it got published in the International Journal of Scientific Engineering and Technology. Though this was not an easy journey, I'm immensely grateful for my mentors for being so patient and breaking down this step by step so I could overcome it. I would have not been able to reach here without them. Thank you so much, OMOTEC.